This is the Train Domain's weekly tips and tricks video. This week's tip is part 1 of inserting a video into a PowerPoint presentation. You may need to add videos to your PowerPoint presentation. There are 2 ways to start inserting the video. First, click the Insert tab and select the video icon. Select Online Video, which gives you the option to insert a YouTube video, embed a code, or a video on my PC. Then choose the desired video. You can also select to insert a video from the title and content slide, which gives you the same options. Notice, once the video has been inserted and is active, there are 2 new tools available, the Format and Playback tabs. On the Format tab, you have a variety of options. You can play and pause the video using the Preview Media icon. The brightness and contrast of the video can be controlled by the Corrections icon. You can also change the tint of the video to give it a stylized effect using the Color icon. Click the More button in the video style to select the type of frame that will be displayed on the slide. To the right of Video Styles, you can crop the video, align it, or outline the video. Align this video by clicking Align and then Align Center. If you like this video, please hit that like button, share, and don't forget to follow us on our social media platforms for more tips and tricks videos from the Train Domain.